Alright, y'all, we are back here at the Cop Hoarder storage unit that the storage stalker and the storage auction pirate bought and are allowing me to collab with them with. Looks a bit messed up. They're back here making their intro. I'm over here making my intro. We got the storage unit. I think we're starting from this side today, just so we get some your stuff.
This was a cop's unit right off the bat. This was on the first glance when they paid for it. It's up to you if you want to do it or not.
Yeah. Got some badges, got some cop stuff right here.
It's for a cop who passed away, and he deserves honor and
he does.
Homage.
Honor and homage, not just honor. Not just honor, your honor.
Dang. Does this mean he passed away in 2010?
Somebody passed away that was a cop. I'm not sure what year and so forth, but
rest in peace. Alright, I remember seeing in the comments that my dad should give me some better boxes, but I mean I was pulling my own boxes out. I was just using what I got though. You know? I was recording whatever I pulled out. Gotta talk about it, you know? So hopefully there's something good in here. Let's find out. Oh my.
you almost killed yourself.
That thing is heavy.
I saw you struggling.
What is in here?
Stuff.
Stuff is in here.
Find some jewelry, Michael.
Hopefully I can find some more jewelry. I did last time. Some
Jewelry, Michael.
some papers. Let me get this in a better spot. I got it. Watch this. Some papers, some newspapers. She likes to say these newspapers. What's wrapped in this newspaper? Ooh. Bum. What is this? It's like a little dish for like a party, you know. Put some sandwiches on here. Oh, this is gonna be a bunch of paper with stuff wrapped in between all of this. It'll be a fun box. Super fun box. Alright. This is a mirror. Got a mirror. Not bad. It's not a terrible box so far. Nothing wild, but we gotta find some jewelry in here. Dang. Everything's a coaster. I found a couple more of these. See a cup holder. What is this? It's like another mirror or something like that. Yeah, it is a mirror. I knew it. Damn, what's up with me? Alright, honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna go through the rest of this box, but it seems like there's gonna be a bunch of not obviously jewelry. It's like some glassware. We got some. I don't even know what that is. A platter for something. Some mirrors. This seems like a cup. Maybe. And a tiny itsy bitsy little. No, it's a candle. This is a little candle. You can smell it. Yep. Smelled everybody. Alright, not a terrible box. Nothing too crazy though.
Some letters just found.
Let's grab a box from this side. I haven't got anything come over here yet. Let's take this. Ooh, snap.
Look at, there's some more letters right here.
Looks like there's a bunch of paperwork in here, but you never know. I found an earring in between all the paperwork last time. Guess we'll have to see. Alright, what we got here? What do we got in here? Let's not look at that. I'm too young for that. Okay. Whoa. These are cool. What are these? Like some self... I wonder if these are like her family. Actually knows these people. Here's some old photos. These are cool. Oh. Ooh, another old photo. This one's got a little bit of color though. Not like too much, but you can see like a little bit. School report. That's cool. Just like a year. Name Mary O'Brien. School report summer of 79. That's cool. Dang, that's cool actually. It just shows what happens every day, I guess, and like what your grade is for the class. That's how you kept track of your grades. You got a bag with an M on it? It's me. It's my bag.
Michael?
My bag. M. Alright. Some paperwork. Is there anything in between it?
1630, 1683 or
Alright, nothing really good worth mentioning in here. Some papers. Got a cool little rabbit doll.
Oh, a little bunny rabbit.
Little bunny. Alright, nothing too cool. I know.
I don't know if Eddie would like that. You think Eddie would like that? Probably not.
Probably not. She's growing out of that type of stuff, isn't she?
A little bit, but she still likes bunnies.
Yeah. Well, of course she likes bunnies, but like a real bunny. She wants a real one. No knife. Let's see if we can just open it with our bare hands. Gosh dang it. Whew. This is a lot harder than I have a knife. Heck that tape. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Ooh. I don't like the way these are sitting with each other. What do we have in here? Oh, it broke. That's probably a cool piece. Spoon rest. You need to rest your spoon on this? Looks cool though. I'm afraid to try and open other ones. Oh, a bunch more stuffs. Let's see what we got. I hate unraveling all these. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Bum bum bum. Ooh. Alright. Some vegetables. What else do we got here? Is this the same thing? It looks like it. Hey, it's a little bit different. It's the top though. Where's the bottom today? Yeah, I don't know if I'll show all of these because it'll take a while for me to put them in and out. I'll show a good amount though. We got the top of this one. Looks like it's gonna be like just like some vegetables. So vegetable tops. Where's the bottom to all of these? Is this like a piggy bank? I feel like a bottom like the piggy bank. Alright, yeah, that's probably a good amount. You all saw probably what the whole box is gonna consist of. Actually, let me get a bottom. This looks like one of the bottoms to what we've shown so far. Woo! Look at that. Which one is it there? This one? No, it's not that one. This one? Boom.
You know what? I don't.
Alright, cool box. Just a bunch of repetitive stuff, but not bad. Treasures. Let's get into it. Oh. First thing we see. More decorations. What are these for Christmas? Yeah, it's some Christmas ornaments. We got. Alright. That's cool. I don't know if it's a photo of one of their loved ones. Dang, it's from 2020 though. It's pretty recent. 2020. That's pretty recent. The most recent thing I've seen was from 2019. Ooh, look at that. That's actually a pretty nice photo of the clouds. My dad would love this photo. He always takes the photo of when the clouds are like pink and stuff. Wow, they got a bunch of decorative candles. These turkeys. Dang, this is kind of cool. Ornament hooks. Ornament hooks. Birthday card. Ornaments. Woo! Man, what are these? That's a vase. These are actually really cool looking. What the heck? Wonder if it.
Tomorrow, what song you think I was gonna sing? See, where's your mind at, baby? Where's your mind?
What is this? It's like a 5.
Time to take a little mama to the mall day before her birthday and let her splurge a little bit. I'm gonna give her a no limit with a limit to spend today. So today she needs to spend a lot, but a little bit.
I don't know about these. I'll just leave them right here. Honestly, this seemed like they're probably worth something. What do we got here? What do we got here? Yeah, this is heavy. This is solid candle holder. This is heavy. What is it made of? This thing's actually really heavy. Not really heavy, but heavier than you expect. You can find another big old vase in there. That's a cool vase. I don't know if it's valuable at all. Oh, that's really cool too. Look at that. That's a nice wall decoration. That's cool. What the heck? What are these like for? For the wall, I guess? CKY art. Made in the USA. Cool box. This is the best box I found so far, I guess. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see what we got here. What is this? Is this an ornament again? Gosh dang it. She's a bunch of ornaments. She's got ornaments for everything. An angel, okay. That's cool. This is actually really cool. This is made from like this is literally just made from a branch he picked up off the ground. Look at that. You can see all the detail. It's actually really cool. Some more of those. Ooh, some nutcrackers. Like a set of nutcrackers. That's actually really cool too. If I really cared about decorating for Christmas, I'd love it, but I know Jessica likes these. Ooh, wow. More decorations. What a surprise. It's for candles. Is this a candle itself? That's actually kind of cool, I guess.
What you want to do?
A briefcase. Fancy. What's in it? Probably. Looks like it's this looks like a briefcase for like some crafting type things. Why doesn't it open? Did you like push this and It's like a long time. Cassette tapes. Cassette tapes. Nice. I'm not gonna put all of them individually like that. I'll just go like close. Cool. I don't think I've ever listened to these.